ito, ayun no, x and y intercept. So number 3, let's say we have y minus 5 equals 5x. So we need to find the x and y intercept. Then after that, you will need to graph that. So you'll be having, so in the given we have y minus 5 equals 5x. So to find the x intercept, remember, you just need to let y equals 0. So from here, we have variable y. So this will become 0 minus 5 equals to 5x. Then this will become negative 5 equals 5x. So we are going to solve for the variable x. So we need to divide it both sides by 5. And we know that negative 5 divide 5, that is negative 1. So the ordered pair will become negative 1 and 0. Then as for y intercept, you just need to let x equals 0. So from the given, you'll be having y minus 5 equals 5 times 0. Then after that, just solve. So 5 times 0 is 0, then transpose, you'll be having the value of y, which is 5, and the ordered pair will become 0, 5. So we can graph this one like this. So remember, the x-intercept, you will find it along with the x-axis, and the y-intercept in y-axis. So we have negative 1, so to the left, so this is the negative 1. Then 5 upward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is negative 1, 0, and this one is 0, 5. So this is the graph. Ay, tumama. Yan. So that's how you do that. Madali lang to guys. Ang mahirap, yung mahirap. Pero ito guys kasi linear lang, kaya madali. So sabi nga natin kanina ko pa sinasabi yun, saan na ba yung sketch ko? Pag ginawa mo kasi siyang y equals to mx plus b, another way yun to find how to graph the function, the given linear. So kung meron kang y equals to mx plus b, ito is slope intercept form to eh. So kunin mo lang yung slope. So kaya rito na lang para madali. Ito, ano tayo para madali. Pag-graph lang natin. So naka y minus 5 siya, diba? Equals 5x. So gawin mo siyang ganito. So y equals to 5x plus 5 na siya. So ayun na, ito na yung y intercept mo, yung b mo. Then ito yung slope mo. So meron kang y equals to, or yung b natin, o y na lang equals to 5. Then yung b yung slope natin is 5. Kasi 5 ito yung katabi ng x. So pwede mo na yun i-graph. So 5 units upward kasi y axis yun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito yun. Then yung slope mo is 5 units. 3, 4, 5. Then magaran ka ng 1. So something like this yung graph. So big sabihin tatama pa rin siya guys. Dito kung negative 1 yan. Negative 1 yun, alam ko eh. Dito yun.